Alam nyo ba guys, may ganito kagandang showroom dito sa Mandaluyong. Dito lang yan sa darak.co. So meron ditong rep brands, mga plates if you are doing the strength training. Meron ditong mga barbells. Yan, kompleto yan. We have here weightlifting plates, Eleiko. Nandito rin yung weightlifting plates ni Heidelin Diaz with signature pa ni Heidelin and coach. So ayan, if you are doing the weightlifting and powerlifting things, dito yan sa showroom ng darak.co. Ito rin mga plates, maraming plates. Meron din dito mga concept 2 here, concept 2, mga plates, and then the one and only IPF approved Eleiko power up. Ganda. So yung showroom na to guys is pwede nyong i-rent and pwede kayo dito mag-training. Tingnan natin the whole. Yan, ang ganda ba? Okay. Eleiko at the Buhat-Buhat basement here at darak.co. Drop by na kayo guys. Pwede nyo magamit yung mga yun. Also this one. IPF approved. Prester. Ganda. Ganda ng bench, huh?